Hi guys, welcome back to Eat East Indian channel, and today we are making something super simple, really healthy and nutritious. This is our warm quinoa bowl today for dinner. So here I have some quinoa. Just boil it like you would do rice. I did add a little bit of a salt in it, and I'm going to add some sauteed onions and mushrooms. I added a little bit of a soy sauce while I was sauteing my onions and mushrooms, and you can see that they are looking gorgeous here. They are going in my quinoa bowl, and along with that I'm adding some zucchini. Really healthy, gives nice texture to our dish. So some zucchini here, and then I'm going to add some red peppers. Now I didn't saute them, these are fresh. If you want to cook them, you can. Along with red peppers, you can also add some carrots. Color is always nice. And I have some salt and paprika cooked potatoes, so just like a breakfast hash. I have some potatoes here which I'm going to add in, and then I will add in some lemon juice. You can use your favorite dressing if you want. So lemon juice, tablespoon or two, depending on the quantity of quinoa that you're prepping. And to give it a little bit more bite, I'm adding some dry fruit. So I have here some cashews, pecans, peanuts. You can add in almonds if you wish, and your quinoa bowl is looking good. Last but not least, I love this chili garlic sauce. Any other fans out there of chili garlic sauce? All right, so if you fancy a little bit of a spice, don't be afraid to use your favorite chili sauce on top. And look at that, beautiful colors, lots of great texture. You can mix everything together. But here our delicious bowl is ready. I am ready to dig in. I've got a couple of bowls here for the family. You can make one big bowl. Everyone can add their favorite ingredients, and you've got a healthy, easy dinner ready. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Click big like, subscribe to our channel, and keep supporting Eat East Indian. I will see you soon, so stay tuned.